Alright, this is Resourceful Marcus here. Welcome back. Do some a little bit of gardening here, a little bit of planting some plants. Beautiful plants are going to go in the ground now. Okay, let's get ready here. Make this magic happen here. This is a perfect time right now to put some plants in the ground. Ooh, mosquito. Already mosquitoes. Alright, so we gotta figure out where we're gonna put these plants. That's what we gotta do. Where I'm gonna stick these. Alright. This is the best time to put stuff in the ground. Right now. Alright, so I'm going to put these two here. This pink gar is coming back this year, don't look like it. See new growth on it. Alright, let's get this stuff going here. So we got here, what is this one called? Osteosporium. Alright, it's a type of a daisy. I've never seen this color at my local garden center before. And this is another one I've never had. Never seen this one at my garden centers. Aquilgia. Beautiful. These are perennial, well, these are perennials here. This is an annual. Perennial, annual. I don't usually plant too many annuals because they don't come back. But I love this color of these flowers, so that's what we're doing right now. And we're going to put one of these. You can see these are already root bound. Look at this. They want in the soil, they want to grow. That's being root bound. Get them out and pop them in the soil. And with the rain showers, it's going to love it. Taking the dead stuff off. Beautiful day to plant your plants in the garden right now. Well, it's a little bit of rain. Okay, that's that one. And I'm going to get one of these in here. These are root bound as well. Just trying to get it out of this container without harming it. Doesn't want to come out that easy. Wow. Really root bound from the looks of it. Yeah, that ain't good. So I'm going to come out of this container here. Very root bound. There's some dead stuff at the bottom. Just take that off. There we go. One of those and one of those. Bingo bango. Best time to put them in the ground right now. As long as we don't get any heavy frost, we'll be okay. I get heavy frost, and that ain't gonna be okay. There we go. So that's that side. Now, figure out over here. I'm gonna put these other two. Let's see here. Pink gar don't look like it's coming back this year, unfortunately. I'm gonna put these two here. And some more pink gar there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them right in here. This spot here. So I'm going to put these two. They should be okay. Watch them dig into my irrigation here. And we'll see if it's gonna come back or not. Gara. Alright. These are root bound as well. Just squeeze the heck out and hope that it comes out. That one to come out a little bit easier. That at the bottom, just take that off. That's nice. This one in, beautiful daisies. Beautiful color. Beautiful color here. You know, root bound that is. And this is something that you don't want to actually happen because it wants in the ground. It's called root bound. You're root bound for the ground now. There we go. Put that in there. Soil around them. Nice rain showers are gonna help them take. There we go. These two I'm going to keep for the names. Alright, that should be okay there like that. Because I got so much plants in my flower beds here. Lots of various plants. Garbage. Yeah, just garbage. There we go. So they look pretty nice now, as you can see. Beautiful colors. This one I've never seen at my local garden center, nor this color here. Beautiful colors. Alright, that's just a quick little gardening today. And I got some beautiful hanging baskets there, straw flower. Yeah. Nice, beautiful hanging baskets. Good old straw flower hanging baskets. Beautiful color, as you can see. And they're not going to open today because there's not much sun. They stay closed. They open in the day when there's sun, and then they close. And they feel like they're paper mache. They feel like they're fake. They're called straw flower. I've been getting these every year. And this is early May, and these will last all the way until October, sometimes into November. And I take them down. It was good for another year. Alright, I'm going to knock this video off now. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching. This is Resourceful Marcus. I'm going to sign off this video here. Alright, that's a straw flower. Beautiful straw flower. Yep, those are my hanging baskets, straw flower. Alright, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Just a short video on some gardening.